Today on Mac's Handy Gadgets, we're going to be showing you how to cook poached eggs in an Instant Pot. Just the way you like them, and they turn out perfect each time. Let's get started. Here we go, we just add the eggs into little bowls. I like to put a little bit of oil in the bottom and just sprinkle it around a little bit, you know, and just kind of do a quickie, and then we'll crack our eggs in there with the shells. We can get them out, don't worry about it. Things happen, right? We'll just take a little fork, go in there and get them out, just like that. Simple as that. Alright, now we got to add them to our Instant Pot. I'll be back. Before we add our eggs to our Instant Pot, we're going to add about a teaspoon of water to each one. Just like that. Now we'll add them to our Instant Pot. Now we just open up our Instant Pot lid, take that off, set that aside there, and we're going to be using this Trivet right here. And we're going to put our bowls down in there. Now we're going to add a cup of water to our Instant Pot before we put our eggs in. And then we'll go ahead and put our eggs right in. There's one, two, three, and we'll put the lid on. Then all we have to do is set it. Now we'll set our Instant Pot. We'll hit steam. For 1 minute. And we hit start. And that's about all there is to it. And I'll bring you back when they're all done. Okay, let's see what they look like in there. They look just right, don't they? Let's see how they are. Alright, let's get these babies out of there. Alright. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Put a little butter on there. Put a little salt on there, a little pepper, and perfect. Well, friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.